Welcome to this new video. In this video, you'll find out how you can organize ideas with xTiles. To use xTiles, first of all, go on to your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for xTiles. Now click on the blue Get Started, it's free button. You'll be redirected to a page where you'll need to create an account. You can create an account with your email, give it a password, confirm the password, and click on Create Account, or you can continue with your Google account or even your Apple account. Once you're signed in, it will ask you for a few questions about you and your account. Just go through the questions, click on Next after you select an option for the question. Once you do all that, you'll be redirected to the My Planner option. Here you'll need to choose the planning period. You can choose daily if you want to use it as a daily to-do list. You can choose weekly to get different tabs for different days, monthly for everything for different months, and of course quarterly. Choose according to your demand and click on Continue. Next, you'll just need to choose a layout for your planning like ADHD, Classic, Creative, or Scratch. I'm gonna choose Classic and click on Get Started. Now you'll be directed to the main page of your xTiles. Here you'll see all of the tabs that you have. You can create more tabs by clicking on Create on the left side options. You can just click on these lists and add up goals, like buy a car, achieve X amount of viewers, or buy a house. Let's just say you have a to-do list to do this month. You can add get X amount of work done or anything that you want, and you'll keep every ideas organized this way. In the to-do list, you can click slash in order to get this tab open, and you can choose different options from here to add onto your tabs. And that is how you can organize your ideas by using xTiles. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe.